Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tell you about 6 most amazing places on earth. Today we will be covering Grand Prismatic Spring, USA, Namibia, Africa, Pink Lake, Australia, Lindisfarne Beach, Iceland, the Dead Sea, Jordan, and the Sea of Stars, Maldives. Grand Prismatic Spring, USA. The Grand Prismatic Spring is approximately 110 meters in diameter and is 50 meters deep. It is the largest hot spring in United States and the third largest in the world. The Grand Prismatic Spring's vivid colors are caused by a combination of mineral-rich water, the pigmented bacteria found in the lake, and its temperature. The colors produced by bacteria are determined by the temperature and depend on the ratio of the chlorophyll to carotenoids present in the water. Namibia, Africa. The coastal desert of Namibia is located along Africa's Atlantic coast towards the southwest. The high sand dunes of the Namib Desert are the point where the desert meets the sea are the key attractions of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Namib Sand Sea is the only coastal desert in the world that includes extensive dune fields influenced by the fog. The desert dunes are formed by the transportation of materials thousands of kilometers from the hinterland that are carried by river, ocean current and wind. Don't you think a desert and sea together is a little weird, but still it is one of the most beautiful places on earth. Pink Lake, Australia. Pink Lake is a salt lake in the goldfields of Esperance region of Western Australia. Although historically the water in the lake was visibly pink, as of 2017 it had not been pink for over 10 years. The salt concentration is vital to Pink Lake's pink hue, and Pink Lake may turn pink again as conditions change. It is also called Lake Hellier, which is the color of bright pink bubble gum. The lake's unique color is caused by algae, halobacteria, and other microbes. Additionally, this body of water is extremely salty, just as salty as the Dead Sea. Lindisfarne Beach, Iceland. Lindisfarne Beach on Iceland's south coast is one of the most unique black sand beaches in the world. It's not a tanning kind of beach. More look than touch. It was created by lava flowing into the ocean, which cooled almost instantly as it touched the water. With its enormous basalt stacks, roaring Atlantic waves, and stunning panoramas, Lindisfarne is widely considered to be the most beautiful example of Iceland's black sand beaches. In 1991, National Geographic voted Lindisfarne as one of the top 10 non-tropical beaches to visit on the planet. The Dead Sea, Jordan. The Dead Sea is a salt lake bordered by Jordan to the east and Israel and the West Bank to the west. It lies in the Jordan Rift Valley, and its main tributary is the Jordan River. The lake's surface is 430.5 meters below the sea level, making its shores the lowest land-based elevation on Earth for several decades in the mid-20th century. The standard value given for the surface level of the lake was some 1,300 feet below the sea level. The Sea of Stars, Maldives. The Sea of Stars is a beautiful phenomenon that occurs during late summers in the reefs of the Maldives, caused by bioluminescent phytoplankton. The water here is filled with this plankton, and the movement of the waves cause it to glow, creating an incredible shimmering effect that looks like the sea is full of stars. December and January are the most popular months for exploring the Maldives, with the season lasting until April. However, June to October offer the best chances for viewing the Sea of Stars. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.